Hi, I'm Amanda and this is Brett from Cambewarra Estate Winery.
And today we're going to take you through our vineyard and show you all the amazing things we have to offer, from wine to high tea to a beautiful outlook. We're a second generation family owned and operated vineyard and winery. We sit on 21 acres here on the beautiful Shoalhaven coast at the foot of the Cambewarra mountain. We grow 4 varieties of grape here. We grow all of our grapes on site and we make it all on site here as well. So we only use produce and fruit directly from our own vineyard out there, and we make it all on site here. Bottle it, the works, ready for you guys to enjoy, which I'm doing myself at the moment. This is our Verdelho, and we also have a high tea and a VIP high tea experience, which we've just recently launched in our giant pink teacup, which sits out amongst our Chardonnay block. Very exclusive, amazing premium opportunity to have a high tea with somebody special. Welcome to the cellar door of Cambewarra Estate Winery. We can't wait to be open again as normal soon, but in the meantime, I'm going to show you a couple of our wines that are drinking really, really well at the moment, and talk about how you can get them in your hot little hands. So the first wine I'm going to show you today is our 2016 Chambourcin. 16 was a terrific vintage for the Shoalhaven Coast wine region, and for us it's produced a really lovely Chambourcin. I'll pour a little glass and have a smell myself so I can take you through exactly what you can expect. So it's got a lovely nose, beautiful nose for a 4-year-old wine. It's got lovely berry flavours. It's a medium bodied red, the Chambourcin, but the 16's got a lovely peppery finish in the back of the palate. Great with a lot of different food varieties, any sort of spicy food, nice duck, some lamb, Thai food maybe. It's drinking really well. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So that's available now in here. We've got plenty of stock of the 16. The next wine I'm going to talk you through is our 2019 Verdelho. We've just released this wine. Verdelho is our flagship white wine. It has been for a long time. Our Verdelho vines are in great nick, consistently produce really, really good fruit. Nice fresh wine. It's got lovely tropical fruit flavours. Nice, easy, clean finish. Yeah, lovely. There's some passion fruit in there. Very pleasant wine. Good with seafood. High tea, apparently. My wife, the CEO of the high tea department, always gets me to remember high tea. So yeah, those 2 wines are drinking really, really well at the moment. We do have some other wines as well. We have a Cabernet, Rosé, a Chardonnay, and a couple of fortifieds. They're all available online or for delivery, local delivery, or at the cellar door for takeaways.
Thanks so much for watching, guys.
And remember, pop to our cellar door or jump onto our website, buy some lovely local takeaway wine, food, high tea, drink up and spend here this year. Cheers.